So EA Sports FC24 companion app, how to install it. So there are a bunch of apps. If you search in iOS App Store, you will see this one, but this is not a companion app. This is Mobile 24 Soccer. So that's a different one.
Okay.
And then here there is the app you need to, and then you can just tap to get, and then you'll be able to install. And then this app was updated for the launch of EA Sports FC 24. And then yeah, the purpose of this app that you can create this ultimate team club and build this dream club in the app. And then you can just do some of the unique features just on the app. Just build the team. Customize, upgrade your stadium, sign next, use the transfer market. Yeah, so that's the idea. And then you just open up the app. And then that's the idea. Then you can just tap get started, or you can just tap to log in, and then you'll need to log in with any of your accounts. But also so you see here I just logged in, but it just says your EA account doesn't have Football Ultimate Team 24 Club. Make sure you're logged in with the right account. In order to use the FC24 web app, you will need to create Ultimate Team 24 Club on your console or PC, and then make sure that you log in with the same account. So yeah, that's basically what it is.